Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. I am Zainab. Today's headlines. Teachers who had staged a sit-in Bani Gala ended their protest after the city administration, led by Commissioner Mahmood, held a meeting with them. The head offices, PIA, including the Flight Services Division, Commercial Department and Human Resource Division, will be shifted from Karachi to Islamabad by the end of January as part of restructuring plan of the national flag carrier. Saudi Arabia suspended flights for a renewable week except at the foreign flights already in the kingdom which will be allowed to leave. The growing impact of climate change have already pushed more than 18 million people to migrate with South Asian countries. But that could more than triple if global warming continues on its current path. Researchers have warned oil prices dropped about 3% as fast spreading new coronavirus strain that has shut down much of the United Kingdom fueled worries over a slow recovery in fuel demand amid tighter restrictions in Europe. Italy has detected a patient infected with new strain of coronavirus. With 15,000 of the 18,000 volunteers administered the Chinese COVID-19 vaccine, its clinical trial is expected to wind up within the current month, and preparation to commence trial of another vaccine will begin. Noon League Senator Kalsoom Parveen died from corona. Captain Babar Azam and opening batsman Imamul Haq have been ruled out of the first test against New Zealand with thumb injuries. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Please like, comment, share and also subscribe. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.